Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from your Telegram wallet to your Binance. So as you may know, you cannot really just transfer Bitcoin straight to someone. You can try an option, but Binance doesn't have a Bitcoin Toncoin network. For example, when you are on Binance and you want to deposit Bitcoin, they have only BTC, Bitcoin, BNB Smart Chain, Lightning Network, Ethereum, and BNB Bitcoin Chain, and they don't have a ton network here. So you cannot send your Bitcoin from Telegram straight. So what you will need to do is go ahead and click exchange option and exchange your Bitcoins. Or there's another option would be to go to P2P market, sell, choose a cryptocurrency Bitcoin, and sell your currency to some fiat money. And after that, just withdraw it. But the better option maybe would be to just exchange your Bitcoin. And after that, if you would exchange your Bitcoin, for example, to Toncoin, you will be able to just click send option and choose external wallet. And there you will need to go ahead and enter a Binance address. So once you are on Binance and choose deposit option, choose Toncoin, and the same goes with network. And then you can go ahead and copy deposit address and Ton memo, and you can just use this address basically and enter it to your Telegram wallet and send Toncoin. So basically the Bitcoin, you cannot send Bitcoin from Telegram wallet to Binance straightly. You first need to exchange your Bitcoin to some other cryptocurrency or even to fiat money. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.